ಮೇಲಕ್ಕೆ.
ಒಂದೆರಡು ಫೋಟೋ ಕಳಿಸ್ತೀನಿ, ಆದಂಗೆ ಒಂದೆರಡು ಫೋಟೋ ಹೊಡೆದಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
ಇದು ಆಚೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಇದು ಮೇಲಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗೋ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ? ನನಗೆ ಮೇಲಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು ಇದು ಫುಲ್ ಇಷ್ಟು. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಇದು ಆಚೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನನಗೆ, ಇದು ನೀವು ಮೇಲಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾಡೋ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಒಂದು ಶಾರ್ಟ್ಗೆ ಕೆಳಗಡೆಯಿಂದನೇ ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ಹೈಡ್ರಾಲಿಕ್ ಹಾಕಿ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ರೆ ನನಗೆ ಇದು ಆಚೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ ನಾನು ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ. ಸರಿ, ತೆಗಿ ಫುಲ್ ಆಚೆ ತೆಗಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್. ಓಕೆ, this is the toilet seat which can be easily accommodated inside. ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಲೈಟ್ ಹಾಕ್ರಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಬಿಡೋಣ, ಆ ಲೈಟ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. Yes, sits quite nicely, and there is lots and lots of spaces where you can store tapes, ropes, jumper cables, tissue papers and everything. Here this side we got one sleeping bed. Idun close ಮಾಡಿ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಇರಲಿ close it. And as well, now we can simply lift this one, and even we can access directly from this one. This is a inflatable bed. This is a toilet seat in case of emergencies, and here is a toilet tent or changing tent. And here is a thing, lot of tapes are there, ropes are there, brake fluid, coolant, tissue papers, lights, ropes, so many things are already placed. So we got access from both the ends. While sitting inside also we can simply take it up and do it. Okay, here it is, a stove and as well as pantry. I'll show the pantry once again. This is the water storage. 2 10 liters can be placed. This is the used and through Aracanet plates. This is a small cooker. Lots and lots of vessels are there, and everything can be simply accommodated inside. Just close it around. And here is the really first. And here is the bench where you can put something. Idana radio nimisha. This is little bit taller, but a smaller stove will works very much properly, and as well as it is a slidable one. This comes again this much in the length, and this space can also be utilized very much properly, or else it can also be used like a dining table. So this can go inside. Of this one again, there is one small opener where you can place a lot of things. Sitting on the chair you can utilize the things, and you can also simply close it and lock it. To this we have placed one velcro where you can place 2 chairs. A velcro is there which holds the things in the place, so that this space is not at all okay. There is a velcro which can hold this foldable chairs very well to this place, and this looks quite nice.